In the blur of the day-to-day,
We don't often get the chance.
We don't often get the chance.
We don't often get the chance.
We don't often get the chance to say thank you for inspiring us to think about things differently.
we are changing the face of research,
Exploring the arts.
Leading through the sciences.
Spearheading conservation.
Innovating on the range.
Thanks for letting us grow our campus community and make a difference in this world.
You always believe we can.
you help us envision a brighter future.
You dare us to do great things.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for challenging us to live our purpose by stating yours.